Nature always gives and endows. Do we know to receive a gift while standing in a field wide as the sky, on the dense soft grass, while gentle mountainous wind is lending us its wings? Do we know how to listen to the exuberant horses in the upland who represent freedom? The view of this beauty is a valuable reminder of our true home. Someone said, "I was at the end of the earth. I was in the end of the heavens. I was in the end of the waters. I was in the end of the mountains. I have not found anything that is not my friend." And friends are all the heroes of this vision, each blink of an eye stamping the new page of the world that seemed to be born just in front of us. A lonely flower, touching serenity of the animals and sigh that gives in to the horizon, tell us that we should learn from each scene of harmony that fills a space. In seeking the exit of the labyrinth of the beauty, we feel that everything has a purpose. The green space and stones scattered like pearls, and the stream able to quench the thirst of the gods. With all this, we took note how man is small and nature large. Here begins the mission of ISKON mode. Home in the nature is also a guardian of tradition's home, the habitat of those who understand the harmony that exists between species. Animals are not borders in that home. They do not feel threat and understand animal language of their masters. Grass and the sky sprinkled with clouds that promise rain are their home, and therefore they meekly surrender all they have. Shepherd is not only the guardian of his family and his wealth, but also the nature. Everything he heard from his ancestors passes it down to his descendants. Animals run around him because nature has its own alphabet that children quickly learn. One of the lessons is that there is a time when it's being taken, but also when it's being given, as it does his docile animal. Its fur will serve for making clothes, because its gift through ancient skills is turning into a symbol of garment by which nature still sends its messages. The way wool exceeds from shearing the sheep to the shop windows has several stations. It takes time that fleece of these lovely animals turns into yarn, soft ball of wool. Once a year, the sheep are brought for a shearing at a specific time. Wool obtained by cutting the first lambs is called yarina or lamb's wool, and it has extraordinary fineness. It is important that the fleece stays closed in a single piece. Only wool that has been cut from live sheep can be named pure fleece. This instrument, designed in forgotten cultures, one can easily imagine as a harp. It requires tiny fingers and patience transmitted from generation to generation. Those who hand nature on to us to preserve it said, "Knit us shiny clothes. Let its basis be white light of morning. Let its rim be straight rainbow. Knit us such clothing that we can walk as befits there where the grass is green." These pictures defy the industry and show what can be done by hand.